The ZANU-PF has suspended one of its Masvingo heavyweights, Roy Bila, in a move seen as a part of the escalating power struggle between the President Idi Mnangagwa and his Deputy Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Sanamira mashoko aiwa tuna kuti aiwa zvinogwa pana pabepa naurezim ai tuna kuti aiwa the President is fired aiwa VP Chiwenga stop align with subscribe or like on the bell. But tipira mara mudanyo komchinzi Bila, the ZANU-PF Masvingo Provincial Finance Secretary, was suspended this week after rejecting the party's ED 2030 agenda. His decision became public when he criticized fellow party members for grabbing land during a Kirezi council meeting, aligning himself with the growing discontent of the province. Masvingo province, long considered a Chiwenga stronghold, has witnessed increased factional tensions, particularly as pro-Mnangagwa officials consolidate power. Prominent among them is Masvingo Provincial Minister Ezra Zamira, a staunch supporter of the ED 2030 agenda, who has been implicated in controversial land grabs in Chirenzi and surrounding areas. Bila's opposition to these practices has set him apart from the faction allied with Mnangagwa. In the last election, Bila had previously campaigned for Mnangagwa, which made his suspension a significant blow to the presidency claims of unity within the ZANU-PF. Observers suggest this disciplinary action underscores Mnangagwa's efforts to plug Chiwenga allies as he seeks to tighten his grip on the party ahead of the next ZANU-PF elective Congress. Ndo mashoko atukona rubuda panapa vakomana vachiti aiwa this move runyasa kuonekwa nemunhu wese kuti aiwa these guys they are now consolidating power and they are now thwarting each and every person arrequed against their agenda or the 2030 agenda yauri panapa kuti each and everyone are went against andomuka vati mwanzi are fired. Tutse mafungiro enyu kuti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ndakumbe section medu, so subscribe or like, channel on the bell icon.